Hey guys, so in this video I cover me attempting to do a engine cleaning myself and slowly coming to the realization and the reality of there's a better way to do it. So let's check it out. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to the JeepSolid garage. Rattlesnakes!
Don't drop it.
Stop! Actually had this from.
Hey guys, thanks for watching and thanks for tuning in. How does that go?
What?
Hey guys, thanks for watching JeepSolid and thanks for tuning in.
What are you doing?
That's not how you do that, right? I can't remember. I watch it.
Thanks for watching and have a good day.
Well, no, at the beginning.
Oh.
Thanks for.
Hey guys, welcome to JeepSolid garage.
Yeah, that. What are we doing here? You have to really trash that thing. I mean, it's all apart. All moving pieces have been removed.
The cam bearings, and that's it.
Oh, yeah.
It's 100%. So you can take this side, I'll take the heavier side. Cool, there we go.
Hey, welcome to JeepSolid, welcome to the JeepSolid garage. Thanks for tuning in.
Let me take it from here. So, hey guys, welcome to the shop. So, obviously I'm in the middle.
That's not what you say. You say, welcome to the JeepSolid garage.
Well, we did that at the intro. And then like, boom, like that's all happened.
Right.
So now we're to like the start of the show. So, hey guys, welcome. So, obviously I'm in the middle of a rebuild here. This is an inline 6 off of a Jeep Wrangler YJ 1992. That's this vehicle right behind me here. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing as I take this Jeep through a complete rebuild. I'm in middle of the
a rebuild. It is very hard. This is part of a complete series of an engine rebuild of an inline 6 engine.
I already said it was inline 6.
Of an engine.
So today, obviously, I have the engine completely stripped down. The pistons are out. The head is off, of course. Camshaft is out. The plugs, the freeze plugs, the oil plugs. Now we're just to a point of where we got to clean it up so I can take it to the machine shop and have them put in the cam bearings for me. So let's take a quick look at what we've done so far.
This is where the magic happens. No, really, I'm actually interested in seeing, because I haven't really watched you do a lot of B-roll.
Oh.
Like, this is B-roll work right now. This is the magic.
So the head is off, the cylinders they had a little bit of ridge on the top. I had to take that off with the ridge reamer, and they're all honed and ready to go. So that part of the block is ready. I still gotta clean up the surface here where the head goes on. In my latest video, I had to remove the freeze plugs, which are on Jason's side over there. So taking all those freeze plugs out and some of the plugs that go to the water coolant jackets, and also the 2 plugs for the oil galley. If you'll notice, the oil galley goes all the way through from the front to the back. You gotta take those plugs out so you can clean that out really good. You need to buy yourself a good set of engine brushes. Any hardware store sells those. I'll link them in the description below as well, where you can pick up a set. But you need a good set of brushes because you need to spend a lot of time cleaning the engine, and that's what we're doing today. On the back side of the engine here, this plug here is a freeze plug that went to the coolant jackets there, and another plug right here. This actually goes to the oil gallery, so we got to get that out as well to really get it cleaned up as well.
I also want you to take note that if Dale stands there and I stand here, I look like a giant. There's just a bunch of stuff you ravaged over here and busted out, which we saw in the last video. 4.0 liter, that's good to know.
Yeah, this is a 4 liter. So to clean this up, I'm going to start just with kind of a rough cleaning initially to get a lot of the grease off. And I made a video recently about that, of different cleaning products. And the best thing I found, honestly, is oven cleaner. You just spray it on a little bit, let it set for a while, and then just wipe off the grease. Oven cleaner, believe it or not, is actually a really good grease cutter.
Check out the link right here for that. Check out the link for check out the link for oven cleaner. What am I trying to say? Check out the link for oven cleaner right here. No, check out the link for oven cleaning video. It's not my day.
Use your words.
It's just not my day. I'm gonna let him do it.
Okay, so let's get to cleaning it up.
We're going to talk about a few more parts of the engine right now.
So through here you can actually see where the camshaft goes. On the front side of the engine, you can see the first cam bearing right here. This is where your sprocket would go and your timing chain.
They can't see anything you're doing.
I know, but B-roll.
Oh, okay.
Cut
Right.
B-roll. And right here is where our thermostat and all that would attach, so like the front side of the engine. Down inside here we can see this is where our push rods will be and our lifters right down in there. Obviously our oil filter is going to go on right here, and this little guy right here is where our distributor mounts. So those are like all the basic parts of the engine when everything is stripped apart.
What is in here? This is like dirt. Look at that. That's good soil right there. I have no idea. Really, did you take it outside?
No.
Straight up dirt.
So I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of oven cleaner and let it set for a while.
This stuff stinks.
A little bit.
It's fume free.
Yeah.
I'd hate to know what the fume full stuff is.
So like I said, I'm just getting the majority of the grease off right now with this. We can wipe it down, then we'll end up like scrubbing it using our engine brush kit on it, and we'll have a nice shiny engine when we're done. Alright, so Jason is supposed to help me wipe this down. Jason? 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 Yeah, thanks for your help. So anyways, I just gotta get this done, so start wiping some grease off of this. And yeah, like I said, this oven cleaner, it just really works amazing. Hey, I found him!
Apparently they're gonna be, or they already are.
Rolling.
What?
We're rolling. So this is where we're at right now. We're just getting the major chunks of grease and oil off of it. I had thought originally, you know, we could do all the cleanup myself, but that's gonna be hours and hours of work. And honestly, really, it's like pay the $100 or whatever. So over the next couple days, I'm gonna call around to my machine shop and maybe a few others, see what they charge for hot tanking versus blasting versus baking, or what method they use. Because getting the outside of it has actually been, you know, a little tedious, but kind of easy. Getting all the internal components sparkly clean is going to be really tough to next to impossible.
Impossible is what I was gonna say.
Next to impossible.
Exactly impossible.
So yeah, I just got to spend $100 or whatever it's going to cost and have it cleaned at the machine shop. But I want to get all the gasket material off and all the big chunks of oil, all those major areas, so that it makes it a little bit easier on the machine shop, so it's easier for them, so they do a better job. But regardless, when you get it back from the machine shop, you're still going to have to get the engine cleaning brushes and kind of run through everything again and do a final cleaning, because the block really needs to be clean, 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 right?
Sure.
So let's finish getting all the gasket material off of it here. Working on the timing chain area here. Jason's just kind of like acting like he's working. I know what he's doing.
You could tell.
So yeah, I really hope the Patriots lose.
You and everybody else outside of New England.
Have you seen that map of the United States? Like everybody rooting for
The Chiefs, yeah.
the Chiefs or whatever, and people rooting for the Patriots is this tiny little speck.
Yeah, it's like 60 miles outside of Boston.
I guess, I don't know, it's because people think they've won their fair share.
Yeah, they have. They've won more than their fair share.
They're ready for something different. Yeah, I'd like to see Patrick Mahomes.
Patrick Mahomes.
Yeah, he's had an amazing season. We're still working over it. See? Just like that. And here I am.
Yeah, we're gonna get some chips.
Now this rack has actually been really useful to me for just hauling stuff around. And I actually have it installed upside down. This lift part down here, I have it coming out and going up because I wanted just a little more clearance if I'm off-roading or something. I didn't want this, you know, down low so it'd be scraping on things. So I can put gear in here, and I don't have to worry about it because it's up off the ground quite a ways. So it just gives me a lot more clearance. The one disadvantage of it being installed like this, though, I can't open my rear gate, but sometimes you gotta make sacrifices. Whew, there we go, piece of cake. Wonder if I should strap it down. Probably, huh? All right, that ought to do it. I'm gonna head out to the machine shop. All right, that ought to do it. I'm gonna head out to the machine shop. See you guys in a bit. So yeah, who was I kidding? Obviously there are better ways to do things like this that are just hard to do at home, where you'll spend hours and hours working on it, cleaning it up. Paying the machine shop $100 or so to do it for you, I think is well worth it, as opposed to spending 14 hours, little brushes, cleaning it, trying to get all the nooks and crannies. So paying them to do that, and I'll look forward to it coming back shiny clean. We'll take a look at that when it gets back. But so if you found this video entertaining at all, be sure to give it a thumbs up, make a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.